On a ship, diesel consumption is not calculated only by trip distance. It depends on how much load is on the engine. You can see how much load is on our main engine and what our ship's speed is. Even then, I will show you how much consumption our main engine has. Look, our main engine does not run only on diesel. In one area it runs on diesel, but in the emission control area it runs on fuel oil. Diesel costs around $800 per ton, while fuel oil costs $400, $500 or $550 per ton. That is why companies operate their engines on fuel oil. If any company runs only on diesel oil, the company will go bankrupt. Now I will show you how much consumption our main engine has. Right now, in 1 hour, our main engine consumption is 1.17. As you can see, it is 1.17. And our generator consumption is 0.32. After that, I will also tell you that we have a shaft-driven generator as well. So you can see the shaft generator here. Look, it is running. You can see that generator number 1 is running. Green means running. Red means stopped. Look, number 2 is stopped and number 3 generator is also stopped.